ఇప్పుడు మనం today we will discuss about this Narayana school IIT syllabus, that means JEE mains single answer choice type level 1. Okay, this is also useful for all members who are writing IIT and also class 6 members who are studying Narayana school and class 7th. Okay, first bit. Magnetic force is an dash attractive or repulsive or attractant, both repulsive. First we have to imagine there are one magnet in nature, two magnets. These two magnets have one magnet have positive charge, one magnet have negative charge. They attract each other. Okay, this is the first case. Okay, attraction is one of the property of magnetic force. Next we take another two magnets. They have same charges, plus positive charge or a negative charge. They both are repulsive, that means not attracted and going away from each other. They both are repulsive. So repulsive is also one of the nature of magnetic force. So the answer is both attractive and repulsive in nature. Okay, second we see second question. Among the following the forces which are non-electromagnetic in dash or force. Okay, first we have to know what is mean by electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force, shortcut we will write EM. Electromagnetic force means in a atom, you have an atom, they have nucleus. In the nucleus, neutrons, protons are present in the nucleus of the atom. And these surroundings, there are electrons are revolves around the nucleus like these. There are so many electrons. The force which bind or attract the electrons towards this nucleus is electromagnetic, and the protons and the neutrons, there are protons, this is nucleus, neutrons and protons have bind together each other. There is a strong force between them, strong attractive force between them, that is only known as electromagnetic force. Okay, now we can electromagnetic force means it is one type of attractive force. What? Attractive force. First we have to see the options. Frictional force. Frictional force means it is an electromagnetic, also known as non-contact force. What? Non-contact force. That means first example, in first question we see there are two magnets. They don't contact each other, but they attract or repel. In this way, the electromagnetic and the gravitational force and another some forces are non-contact force. This non-contact force also known as field forces. What? Field forces. First we see what are the which is a non-contact force, that is known as only which is a non-contact force, that one is known as the answer. First, frictional force. Frictional force is a contact force because an object is on the ground, it is touches the ground, attracts the ground. So frictional force is also a contact force. Tension force. Suppose a string is pulling by two objects. Then in the middle there happen tension. What? There happen tension. So this is also a contact force. Normal force is a force between the perpendicular to the ground, an object perpendicular to ground. This is known as normal force. The answer is gravitational force. Gravitational force means this is only attractive force. There is no repulsion in gravitational force. This is only the attractive force. This is the second question answer. Third question. Which statement is true about magnetic force? We have to imagine We have to focus, we have to keep focus in this magnetic force, not electromagnetic or gravitational force, only magnetic force. Magnetic force is different from the gravitational force. Distance does not affect the strength of the force field. Suppose this is a magnet, force field means like this magnets have magnetic field, that is only known as a force field, like this have. In this place, an object is placed. They have very strong attraction towards the magnet. In this place, an object is distance is longer, so the attraction force is weaker. So does not affect it. So this is the first option is the wrong answer. Okay, second answer. Second answer we see the charge of magnets affect the strength of the force field. Okay, the charge of the magnet does not affect the force field. Suppose in this magnet they have in positive, in this have negative. This does not affect. There are positive, there are also objects were attracted, and in negative charge also objects were attracted. So the second answer is also wrong. There is an east pole and west pole to every magnet. This is absolutely the wrong answer because every magnet have a north pole and south pole. So east pole and west pole is the wrong answer. Third one also. The remaining is the fourth. This is the correct answer. What we can see. Distance and the strength of the magnet affect the strength of the force field. This is the correct answer. Suppose we take this small magnet. In this small magnet, they have their keep. We keep in this place one object. It does not attract because its strength is very small. We keep a big magnet in this place and keep the objects in place, attract easily very strongly. This affects the strength of the and also distance and strength affects the magnetic force field. The answer, third question answer is fourth option. Next, fourth, distance and mass are two factors that affect distance and mass. We have only one main principle. We have compulsory mass. An object does not have mass, it doesn't get gravitational field. Only mass is happening, the gravitational force fields are attracted. Okay, distance and mass are two factors that affect gravitational force or magnetic force fields, electroforce fields or electrostatic force fields. Answer gravitational force fields. Suppose a magnetic force distance is affected, but mass is not affected because any big object, big iron object which attracts the magnet, keep in the side. Very small magnet, keep in the side. But this one not attracted to the magnet, not come to the magnet, but magnet goes to the that object. In gravitational force, not like that. When a heavy mass in a falling ground, it is in high velocity, it is falling towards the earth. Very small object, it is falling to the earth at low velocity. Next, which is the factor, answer is gravitational force field, which is the factor that affects the strength of gravitational, magnetic and electron static force fields. There is a common factor that affects the strength of gravitational fields, magnetic fields, electrostatic fields. That is the distance. Distance affects all the magnetic type of magnetic, gravitational, electrons effects factor. Okay, next we can see worksheet 3. This is CQ. This is also important for all members who are preparing for IIT or who are studying 7th class or 6th class or 8th class. Which of the following is a non-contact force? We all discussed before what is meant by non-contact force. It doesn't contact with each other, but they have a force between them. This is also known as a field force. What a field force? Friction is a not non-contact force. Reaction force is not non-contact force. Tension is non-contact force. The answer is gravitational force is the non-contact force in the nature. Which of these words describe the force between two negatively charged particles? We also already discussed two negatively or positively, negative charge repulsion. What repulsion? The answer is repulsion. Two negatively charged in this place they give also positive. The answer also is a repulsion. Among the following one is responsible for the element of electrons around the nucleus is an atom. This is answer is then this electromagnetic force is responsible for bonding of these electrons and neutrons, but not electrons protons and neutrons, but not electrons and neutrons. The strong interaction is the responsible for the bonding of these electrons and neutrons. Okay, which is not a non-contact force. Which is not a non-contact force. Electrostatic is a non-contact force. Magnetic force is a non-contact force. Gravitational force is a non-contact force. The answer is frictional force. Non-contact force are also known as field forces. Okay, non-contact force also known as field forces. What must an object have in order to be affected by gravity? Before we discuss about this, every object have mass to attracted by gravity. This charge is wrong answer. The mass is the correct answer. Okay, every mass must an object have in order to be affected by gravity. In an atom, the force acting between proton and electron is a electromagnetic. If a body is placed on inclined plane, the force acting on a body in inclined plane, an object is clipping. There is a gravitational force between them. The answer is gravitational force. Gravitational force is always an attractor. This is also we discussed about not repulsive. Gravitational force is not repulsive. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.